PC gamers. Today we'll be taking a look at the Pictek RGB Gaming Mouse. This is the Pictek T7 wired gaming mouse, which retails for under 20 bucks on Amazon. Before we go any further, I have to tell you this is the OG Pictek T7, not the upgraded version. I'll talk more about the upgraded Pictek T7 at the end of the video, and we'll also be releasing a full video review on that at a later date. The Pictek T7 connects to your computer via a USB 2.0 cable, which is about 5 feet in length. This cable is made out of rubber and not overly stiff, which should not cause any unnecessary drag while you're trying to game and move your mouse about the table, mouse pad, etc. Once you have the Pictek T7 connected to your PC, you're going to want to go and download the driver software to take full advantage of this mouse. I admit it is a bit hard to find the driver download for the Pictek T7, so we'll have that linked in the description below. Once you install the driver software, you'll be able to access a ton of different features for this mouse. First off, you're able to program it with 5 different profiles, and within those profiles you can adjust things like polling rate from 125 Hz to 1000 Hz, mouse sensitivity, scrolling speed, double click speed, and DPI. Yes, this has adjustable DPI from 500 to 7200 DPI, and the way that you see those adjustments on the fly are actually from the RGB lighting on the mouse. So there are 2 DPI buttons on the top, and once you adjust through those, you can see a number of different colors, and each color is linked to a certain DPI number which you configure in the software. Additionally, you can make color adjustments to the RGB lighting, where you can adjust things like steady, brightness, breath, blink and effect, and steady and effect. With this configuration, you can really suit this mouse to meet not only your gaming preferences, but also your aesthetic preferences. Lastly, you can program macros for this. I've not utilized that feature, but the ability is there if that's something that you would use. From a software perspective, this is exactly what we would expect from an entry-level gaming mouse. The software that we see for the Pictek T7 is similar to what I saw in the Red Dragon M601 gaming mouse. Moving away from the software to the actual performance of this mouse. For your background, the testing I did was about a week long, and in that week I played League of Legends, did my normal computing business, and now have a full picture of how this mouse performs. Overall, I'd say the performance fits the price. Let's talk clickiness, left and right. Being a bit hypercritical here, but I think the left and right switches are a little mushy, and they even sound mushy if you can. The clicks are not as satisfying or as precise as my Corsair mouse, which I'm used to using, but again, price fits performance, or performance fits price. Either one. Moving on to the scroll wheel, which I'm actually a very big fan of. It features light drag, and I found it was very comparable to the Corsair mouse that I use day to day. Again, nothing really special here, but something that fits my personal preference and may fit yours as well. The actual size and form factor of this mouse I would classify as medium in size and lightweight in weight. It measures 4.84 by 2.83 by 1.29 inches, not memorized, and weighs in at 4.8 ounces, which is extremely light compared to my larger and weighted Corsair mouse. On the bottom, there are 4 slide pads which allow this to glide across this table as well as my mouse pad. No complaints there. And the grips on the side make sure that even those of you with sweaty hands don't lose this mouse in a battle. The grippy surface on the side is complemented by a smooth matte surface on top, which does, collect some hand grease, but it does look nice with the accented RGB lighting. All these things combined lead me to say that this is overall a decent value for an entry-level RGB gaming mouse. But wait, there's more. I'd encourage you to go check out its older brother, the upgraded Pictek T7, which we'll be releasing a video on in the near future, so make sure you click that subscribe button or go check out the video that's released here. The upgraded version of this is only a few dollars more, features better RGB lighting, an extra button, and better switches. It is really a step up for just an additional few dollars. Additionally, if you'd like to look at other mice from competitors like Red Dragon, I'd say that this mouse is comparable to the Red Dragon M601. While that mouse wasn't my favorite, it may be a good option for you. We'll have that video linked here. That's all I have for today, folks. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to drop a like on it and click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future content. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bird out.